Hey, it's Hannah with WTI, and if you are an espresso lover, then you need to get this set.
There's nothing worse than having to walk back and forth from your espresso machine to the trash can to get rid of your coffee pucks. However, this knockbox is going to change your life. It's from IOSEN Coffee Tools. It has this great rubber stomper here and it is slip proof on the bottom. So you just tap your portafilter on there and your puck comes out and you get this great tamping mat. Saves your countertop. It's super easy to clean. It's a great space to hold your tamper, and you are going to get perfectly made, perfectly tamped espressos every time. And I am obsessed with this knockbox and how clean and easy it keeps my morning espresso routine.
This set is an absolute must have for me and my espresso setup. I can't live without it now that I have it, and that's my point of view.